Okay, guys, good morning. And today is Friday, the 9th of August, 2024. So we're going to literally run through what's happened in the market this week and what's potentially going to happen next week. So let's go to the weekly on US 100 now. This week saw a huge drop. We saw, I don't know, I think it was like 30 trillion wiped out on Monday. What did we see? A gap to the downside. More than likely, this was going to move to the upside after touching this trend line. Every time we see this type of move, it's just a liquidation, fear, in order for people to sell so people can buy, right? That's all it is. Money transferring from people who don't know what they are doing to people who do know what they are doing. That is all that was on Monday. And as you can see on the hourly, yes, we did see a huge move to the downside. When was it? Monday, 5th of August. We got in here on Tuesday, and now we're in a little tiny bit of profit, but we have broken the key level that I was hoping for. Let's just get rid of this and actually go into the technical side. So we've now broken this high here. More than likely going to bounce today. I am looking for a trade today. Where am I going to take profit? Well, more than likely the day, if we take a look, probably going to be about a 2 to 300 pipper. So, in fact, it could be marker 5. Don't know why it's so much. But anyway, probably something like that. Probably not going to be as big as yesterday. Well, what was yesterday in terms of pip wise? It was 800 pips yesterday. So that was a really big day yesterday. Expecting a big day today. Move to the upside here. Where will be the target? The target will be probably 19,000. 19,000 seems like a realistic round number to target today. Is there any levels of interest there? Let's take a look. Yeah, there is a bit. It does need to break this level though, so we do have the previous level of buy and sell pressure here. That's probably where it is going to stop. It's going to see some sell pressure, then break through later on. But 19,000 is going to be the goal, and we're only looking for longs on this. Next week, what do we expect? Moves all the way up to probably 20,000. Sorry, 19,500. And then the week after, maybe 20,000, maybe. But next week, if we take a look at the weekly here, if this can close like a pin bar like it is now, there's no reason, assuming, there's no reason why next week can't go to 19,500 and give us a nice bullish close after this huge pin bar or even a pin bar to the upside. But the next 4 or 5 weeks, it's going to go to 21,000. Simple as that. So that's US 100, US 30. Let's take a look at that. So US 30, again, pin bar, basically moves the same as US 100. Take a look at the hourly here. That was a really good move yesterday on US 30. Again, breaking the highs, kind of, not really. Still a little bit. It's not really broken significantly. We still have this level of sell pressure here. So if today we do get a really good trade to the upside, it might actually move down a little bit, touch this uptrend, and then move to the upside. What am I looking for? Well, potentially to take a little bit of profit at the 40,000 level, because that is a key level. And then if it does go a little bit higher, then that's fine. But I really don't expect it to go above 40,000 today. So just looking for a move to the upside today. Not really anything too much. Let's take a look at what that will be in terms of daily range. Daily range will be something in the terms of 700 pips. And as you can see from here, from the daily opens, that's what these lines are. 700 pips isn't really that unrealistic, is it really? So from here to here, 500, it's not really that bad. So 700 is achievable today. Let's take a look at gold, and then we'll go into Bitcoin. So gold is moving to the upside right now. This doesn't really make sense on gold. On the weekly, it does. We have rejected this level 3 times though, 1, 2, 3. I would want price to break this level now, the 2,450 level. I would like it to break. So right now, we were making lower lows, now we're making high highs. Okay, fair enough. I today would look for a double bottom and then a move to the upside. We do have this key level here though, so just be aware that you do have a key level of sell pressure in your way for a long today. And you go into 2,450, which is this level here, which we can see all the pin bars are at. Stop loss will be just below the swing low here. 2.6 to 1 risk reward. And I think that is going to be a very good trade for the day. Let's just take a look at FX Blue. We'll let that load while we look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was moving super bullish this morning. Literally at like 1 o'clock in the morning, I saw that it was moving mad. So yeah, we had like an impulse of buy pressure at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, it kind of died off. So let's take a look at the weekly here. Look at that. It was all the way down to 50,000 and now it's at 60. So it's gained 10,000 just this week alone. Now that, my friends, is crazy. And if you do have any money to put into Bitcoin, this is probably a good level to put in. If the weekly still closes like this, again, it produces a new weekly candle on Sunday night. So that's when I'll probably be adding, not a lot because I'm already in like here and here. So add just a little bit more, but that's about it. ETH, basically the same story, not recovered as much as Bitcoin, but still for the week, it's where it was. So that massive day that we had on Monday has basically been abolished, and we're back to the start of the week. Okay, so let's see what's going on with gold. With strength wise, so gold is a lot stronger than the USD long term. We know that. Medium term gold is stronger. Now midweek, when we actually looked at this, gold was weaker. So there's been a shift in fundamental direction. Short term, gold is stronger. So yeah, gold is stronger on every single time frame. So the long that we are predicting on gold is fundamentally and technically sound, which is what we want. So yeah, I do believe this week's going to close bullish on gold, with the long term, short term, and medium term being all bullish. You can definitely expect some longs today. So that is it. That is your end of week analysis, guys. We did get a little trade on gold to the downside, not even that great. It didn't really move good. Even if we kept in this, we would have hit stop loss. So it's good to get a little bit of profit out of it. But it really didn't move like I thought it would. I thought that when it was here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, I thought at least we was going to make a lower low and end up down here. And we end up with something kind of like this, but we didn't. We ended up taking profit at the end of the day and then ended up getting hit out at break even. So didn't do what we wanted, caught some pips. Okay, fair enough. Let's hope for this long later on today, but that's it for today, guys. Have a great day, have a great weekend, and I shall see you on Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.